feature here, that is Disburse Now and transaction entry later. So from master setup, setting, one entry to be added, disburse loan and pay later. This means that when you create the loan, the installment schedule will be created, but the transaction ledger entry will not be done. So keep yes and click add, but this entry has to be used in a specific purpose. So hence, if you want to enable this setting, you need to consult the account manager, because there are some other associated features to this. I'm creating one loan. I'm selecting one scheme, that is OD scheme, starting from 1st Jan. I click save. Loan 334 is created. When I go to installment, I can see that 1 month installment, 1 month interest is calculated, and second month amount, the principal due is 10,000. If I go to transaction, I can see that disbursement, this is showing 10,000, but there is no ledger associated to it. And in fact, this disbursement is linked with multiple payments, so there's no entry here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a 10,000 paid via ICICI on 1st Jan. This entry I'm making now by referring the bank account statement. So automatically this entry can also be made. I click pay to party. Now actually this installment is 10,000, it will stay to 10,000, but transaction, it will show now that 10,000 paid by ICICI. There was no change here in the principal amount. If I go here and now if I make entry of 20,000, and this time let's say I make payment from some other bank, pay to party, I go to installment. Now that installment entry is added here, and if I select here, I can see 2 entries in transaction, 2 disbursements done. Now in installment, so this means that the installment is not impacting if I make the first entry, but reverse is possible. In case you want to delete some transactions, let's say if you delete all transactions, the reverse impact will be done on installment. Okay, so in addition to this, if you create any other loan, I select some other scheme and make payment. I click save. 335. If I check multiple payment, no entry there. Transaction, disbursement, no entry there. This is coming from installment. Installment loan schedule is created. And now if I go here and make entry 10,000 pay to party, it will be done. And now if I try to add 5,000 more pay to party, this is not allowed, because in previous example it was allowed, here it is not allowed. If I go to earlier loan, then this is the overdraft loan. So in overdraft you can add multiple payments as long as you are reaching to the permissible limit, whereas in all other types the loan limit is set as the disbursement amount of the loan. All right, in case you have any queries, please contact us, so we'll provide more information. Thank you.